Welcome to How to Complete a Faculty Progress Survey. Completing your progress survey is quick and easy. Let's get started. To begin, you will receive an email to your university inbox alerting you that your surveys are available. Open the email from Starfish for general progress survey information and access instructions. In the body of the email, click on the link labeled View Survey in Starfish. Once you have clicked on the link, you will be redirected to the JNet login page. To log in, enter your university credentials. These are the same credentials that are used when you log into your university computer. Once you have successfully logged in, click on the Campus Resources tab located at the top of your JNet screen. This will open your Campus Resource menu. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will see a Campus Quick Links section. Click on the Starfish link at the end of the list. This will open your Starfish homepage. At the top of the page, you will find a link labeled Outstanding Progress Surveys. Click the link to reach the survey that corresponds to the course you wish to complete at this time. A student roster will appear in a column on the left-hand side, with tracking items across the top. Available tracking items include Keep Up the Good Work, Attendance Concern, Missing Assignments, and In Danger of Failing. Your student will receive an email generated by the system when you select or raise a flag, a tracking item. Emails will provide guidance on resources and next steps to assist the student in potentially getting back on track. For each student, select the checkbox corresponding with the tracking item you would like to raise. If no feedback is necessary at this time, click on the No Feedback, which is also the default selection for each student. You may also include comments related on a selected item by clicking on the note paper icon that displays on the right of the student's name. Note: this icon will only appear if a tracking item is selected. If you start a survey and are unable to complete it at one time, you can save a draft by clicking on the Save Draft button at the bottom of the screen. This will allow you to come back and revise your selections at another time. To disregard the survey and start over, click on Never Mind. When you have completed your survey in its entirety and are ready to submit, click the Submit button at the bottom of the page. Note: once you have submitted a survey, you will not be able to edit your selections. You will receive a pop-up box confirmation asking if you are sure you want to continue. Click Yes to proceed. Your survey is now complete. If you are the instructor of record for multiple sections, you can access additional surveys by clicking on the drop-down menu in the Survey section of Starfish. When all available progress surveys are complete, you will see a notice on the screen indicating you have completed all available surveys. Thank you for participating in the Faculty Progress Survey process and being a part of the STAR Effect.